Empower denial usually happens when the app can't clearly verify your bank account, doesn't see stable income deposits, or doesn't have enough transaction history to confidently approve cash advance access. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly why Empower keeps denying applications and what you can fix to improve your chances next time. Start with bank connection problems. Empower depends on a fully synced bank account to read your financial data. If the connection is incomplete, unstable, or keeps failing, the system can't evaluate your profile, which leads to denial. Now look at income deposits. Empower looks for recurring deposits that show a stable and predictable income pattern. If your income is irregular or inconsistent, the system may deny access because repayment ability is harder to estimate. Next, check transaction history. The app needs enough recent banking activity to understand how your money moves. A new account or limited transaction history often leads to denial because there isn't enough data to analyze your financial behavior. Now focus on direct deposits. Regular payroll deposits are one of the strongest signals Empower uses for approval decisions. Without them, approval becomes more difficult because your income pattern is less clearly defined. Next, look at account balance behavior. If your balance frequently drops very low or fluctuates heavily, the system may classify your account as unstable. That can increase denial chances because repayment reliability is harder to predict. Now check identity verification. Empower requires your personal details to match your bank account exactly. Mismatches in name or banking information can trigger automatic denial during verification. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks don't fully support smooth data sharing with financial apps. If your bank connection is limited or slow, Empower may not receive enough usable data to approve your account. Now look at setup completion. Incomplete onboarding or interrupted setup can prevent the system from fully evaluating your financial profile. That often results in denial or delayed eligibility. Finally, understand automated decision systems. Empower uses algorithm-based approval, not manual review. That means your financial data has to clearly show stable income and consistent patterns for the system to approve access. If it can't confidently classify your behavior, it will deny the request. To sum it up, Empower usually denies users for three main reasons: unstable or unclear income, limited transaction history, or a bank connection that doesn't provide enough readable data. Next step is simple. Make sure your bank account is fully linked, your income deposits are consistent and clearly visible, and your identity details match your bank exactly before reapplying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app guides, approval fixes, and simple breakdowns that make financial apps easier to understand.